Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Toro TimeCutter MyRIDE Max Havoc. This mower does come with a 60-inch IronForged cutting deck. This is a fabricated cutting deck. You have a 4-point hanging deck system. This mower has the MyRIDE Suspension System. There is also a premium seat. We have our 5-gallon fuel tank with automatic fuel fill. We have robust back tires with extra tread. These are hybrid tires. This mower does come with a 24 horsepower Kohler KT735 V-Twin engine, as well as the Hydro-Gear ZT-2800 transmission. This mower has the MyRIDE Suspension System, as well as your controls with your ignition, throttle, and hour meter. This mower does have a plastic chute, as well as a magnetic taper pen cutting height adjustment with cutting heights between 1.5 and 5 inches. This mower has a top forward speed of 7 miles per hour. There are maintenance-free cast aluminum spindles. Once again, this is the Toro TimeCutter MyRIDE Max Havoc. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.